Hi everyone, I'm Rajalakshmi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of ECE at R.M.K College of Engineering and Technology. This video is all about embedded systems. Topics that I'm going to cover in this video are: what is embedded system, applications of embedded systems, difference between general purpose system and embedded system, career opportunities in embedded system. Let me move on to the first topic. What is embedded system? Embedded system is a combination of hardware and software that is intended to do a specific task. Hardware is the microprocessor or microcontroller, and the software is the program or code that is dumped into the microprocessor so that the microprocessor performs a specific task, which is addition of two numbers here. This is what embedded system is. An embedded system is a computer system which is a combination of hardware and software with a dedicated function within a larger mechanical or electrical system. So, the embedded system will be a subsystem within a larger system. Let me take an example of Kodak still camera, which is not a modern digital camera. It is just a mechanical device used for capturing image. To this mechanical device, I'm going to embed a computer system intended to do a specific task into this larger mechanical device. This is what modern digital camera with sophisticated features but intended to perform a specific task of capturing images. Embedded system is the information processing system within the larger system. Now, the computing system inside the digital camera is the information processing system, and it is actually the embedded system. Let me give another example of refrigerator, which is a large electrical device to which an information processing system or the computer system is embedded into it to make the entire refrigerator to come under embedded system. Coming to the components of embedded system, the embedded system consists of software program and hardware components. It receives input through the sensors, processes it, and produces the output. The embedded system interacts with users and communicates with other systems where they are embedded. The hardware components of embedded system are power supply, reset, oscillator circuit, input devices, output devices, application specific circuits, processors, timers, interrupt controllers, memory, serial ports, parallel ports. Let me list out few real-time examples of embedded systems. Industrial robot used in industry automation, GPS receiver which is used to find out the user position, digital camera which are used for capturing images, DVD players which are used for displaying videos and audios, wireless routers used to provide access to the internet, microwave oven used in kitchen for cooking purpose, set-top boxes which receives digital signals, decodes it and displays on the digital screen, gaming consoles used for playing games, photocopiers used for producing multiple copies of documents. Applications of embedded system, or else I can say scopes of embedded systems. Applications of embedded system is not limited. Embedded system is found everywhere. Let me list a few here. In agricultural field, embedded system provides smart farming, driverless tractors for crop feeding and harvesting. In automation industry, embedded system finds application for hazard testing and it reduces time and manpower. In aerospace, embedded system can be used as flight altitude controller, space robots, automatic landing system in space. Embedded system is the heart of vehicle automotive, which finds application in anti-lock braking system, airbag system, navigation system, automatic parking, music, GPS, and so on. Leading companies like Samsung and Bosch produce many consumer electronic products such as refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners, toys, and video games. In medical field, the hospitalized patients are monitored regularly by medical embedded system. Patients' data such as heartbeat, pulse, sugar are collected and sent to doctors wirelessly through embedded system. Embedded systems in IoT field provides the provision for smart homes, smart cities and so on. For safety and security, many embedded products are available in market which includes finger recognition, face recognition, eye recognitions and so on. In defense, embedded system has deployed products like drone, UAV, fire control system in military field. Under telecommunication and network, embedded system finds application in cellular phone, web camera, hubs and routers. Embedded system is found everywhere. His desktop or laptop computers and embedded system. The desktop or laptop computers have hardware components and software programs running on it. Whether it is an embedded system? The answer is no. Why? An embedded system is an application-oriented system that is dedicated to a single task or a limited number of tasks working for a single main aim. Is this the case in desktop or laptop computers? No. The laptop computers or desktop computers can do many different tasks such as playing video, working on documents, image editing, web browsing, etc. that too simultaneously. So, desktop computers are not embedded system, they are general purpose system. The next thing is embedded system includes task specific hardware mechanical parts not usually found in general purpose system. Let me explain with an example. This is the internal parts of a washing machine. The only aim of washing machine is to wash the clothes. For this, it involves few tasks such as inlet and outlet of waters, washing the clothes, spinning the clothes. Each of these tasks are associated with a specific mechanical part. Washing task is associated with motor, spinning task is associated with agitator. This is not the case in general purpose system. General purpose system don't have any mechanical hardware part to do text editing or web browsing. Difference between general purpose system and embedded system. General purpose system are designed to do multiple tasks. Embedded system are designed to do a single specific task. For general purpose system, task specific component is not required. For embedded system, specific hardware component is required. General purpose system is programmable by end users, therefore applications are alterable by the user. That is, the user can install or uninstall any application as per their need. Embedded system is not programmable by end users and therefore the application of embedded system cannot be altered by the users. Take any example for embedded system, washing machine or digital camera or air conditioner. The user don't have any provision to modify the program so that the application is unalterable. The power consumption in general purpose system is very high and the embedded system is associated with low power consumption. Is mobile phones an embedded system? The answer is yes. Why? There is no doubt in the first generation mobile phones it is obviously an embedded system. Then what about the smartphones? Now arises the confusion. With the smartphones, the difference between the general purpose system and the embedded system is shrinking because various desktop applications can be done on smartphones, but smartphones are embedded systems. How? As like general purpose system, the applications in smartphones can be modified, but there is no provision to modify the operating system of the smartphone because of which the functionality of the smartphones cannot be upgraded. All of these conditions in line with the embedded system definition. So, smartphones can be viewed as a combination of various embedded systems, that is, cameras, various sensors, calling functions, and so on. Smartphones are not general purpose system, they are embedded system. Is embedded system a good career option? What are the career opportunities in embedded system industry? Yes, it is the right option to set the career in embedded system. The application of embedded system have increased over past years. Many intelligent devices are surrounding us and are increasing rapidly. Can anyone imagine a single day without any smart or intelligent device? No, it seems everywhere we turn. The world is getting smarter. This is the age of smartphones, smartwatches, smart house, smart cars, and so on. So there are a lot of opportunities in embedded system industry. Here are the few designations for the people who work in embedded system industries. Smart System Administrator, Digital System Architect, Digital System Manager, Embedded Programmer, Embedded Software Engineer, Computation Sensing, Embedded Software Architect, Embedded Developer. Leading embedded system companies. This is only few companies that I have listed. Many companies are working for embedded systems. Siemens make products in the field of automation industry and medical electronics. Samsung make mobile phones and consumer electronics like washing machine, refrigerator, air conditioners and so on. Bosch makes all automotive products. What skills you should have? Many may not be aware of the skills required to get career in embedded system industry. Here is the few important skills. First is the software skills. One should have knowledge in embedded programming, which includes embedded C, embedded C++, assembly language programming, Python, Verilog, Rust, ADA on microcontrollers such as AVR, PIC, and ARM. One should be familiar with interfacing microcontroller with different sensors and peripherals. Knowledge in kernel programming, device drivers, real-time operating system, and innovating thinking is necessary. The second skill set will be the hardware skills, under which one should be familiar with electronic circuit designing, power supply circuit designing, PCB designing, troubleshooting skills, high-speed board design of microcontroller or processor, and peripheral devices like SPI, I2C, and USB. The other skills include learning new microcontroller interfacing yourself, learning new hardware yourself, reading data sheets, documentation as per company norms, working in a team, completing work in deadlines, making reports as per the company requirement. One who is good with software skills can try for embedded software engineer, embedded programmer, embedded software architect designations. One who is good with hardware skills can try for embedded developer, smart system administrator, and so on. I here conclude my video with the hope that this video gives clear idea about the embedded systems and the career opportunities in it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.